In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with PayPal on eBay using an easy method. If you're looking to make your online shopping experience smoother, using PayPal is a fantastic way to keep your payments processed quickly and securely. So let's get started. First, open up your favorite web browser and type eBay into the search bar. You're looking to access the official eBay website, so go ahead and click on the first search result that appears. Once you arrive on the eBay homepage, you'll notice the sign-in option located in the upper left corner of the page. Click on that. Now you'll need to enter your credentials to log in. Use the email and password associated with your eBay account to gain access. Don't worry if you're a bit concerned about security. eBay uses encryption to keep your details safe. After you're logged in, it's time to do some shopping. Browse through the range of products until you find the item you want to purchase. Once something catches your eye, click on the product to view its details. Make sure to check all the information about the product, such as its condition, price, and shipping details. When you're ready to proceed, click on Buy It Now. This will take you to the purchasing page. Here's where PayPal comes into play. You'll see various payment options. Select the one that says PayPal. Clicking on PayPal usually redirects you to a secure login page for your PayPal account. Make sure you have your login details ready. On this page, you'll enter your PayPal email and password. If you're worried about entering your details, rest assured that PayPal is known for its robust security measures. After entering your information, you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click it. At this point, you're securely logged into PayPal, and you can review the payment details for your eBay purchase. Double-check all relevant information, including the total price and the linked payment method from your PayPal account. If everything looks good, you can complete the transaction with just a few clicks. Success! You've now completed your purchase on eBay using PayPal. Remember to check your email for a confirmation from both eBay and PayPal, which should arrive shortly after the transaction. These confirmations are essential for keeping track of your purchases, and you can refer back to them if there are any doubts or issues. I hope this guide has made the process of paying with PayPal on eBay clear and simple for you. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.